Hi. What day is today, Kenny?
Saturday.
Right.
Your
November.
birthday's on Saturday?
Hi.
My birthday's on Thursday.
Okay, everybody write your name. Make sure you write your name.
I'm gonna write.
Write your, did you do yours yet?
Yeah, I did mine.
Did you color? You can color in a picture. Color in something nice on it if you want. That's.
I'm calling a birthday cake.
Rebecca, you coloring yours?
You know what? When it's my birthday, I'm inviting every single girl to my birthday. Yeah, even me? Yeah. Goody!
Really?
And Amanda, your friend.
How come?
Who's that?
So you can get presents?
Yeah, I want to get a lot of presents. Girl in the whole world. I'm not very good at this.
You are.
Better than me.
Doing very well.
My sister, let me try it.
Hi, Rachel.
You can do over 100.
How you doing? Oh, you're happy today, huh?
And I can tell my place 80.
Because you're pretty and cute.
Can you guys go backwards?
It's your birthday party, so we can remember this when you're 27. You can see yourself on TV. Make a nice picture. Make it pretty. Happy birthday, Rachel. No, it's supposed to be for you, Linda. Who's Linda?
Lindsay.
Lindsay. Who's Lindsay?
Me?
You didn't color a picture, Lindsay. Make a nice picture. Decoration.
Okay.
Everybody's making a nice, make a pretty picture. Something that looks nice on it. See if you can draw something nice and pretty. Draw a happy face if you want. Becca's drawing a happy face. Karen, what are you drawing?
Whoa!
Karen, you're like a camp counselor.
I can make one?
You can make one.
I hate making one.
Huh? Oh, and, oh, we got one more coming at least. How many more? Doorbell.
Rachel, doorbell.
I did that.
Rachel, you want to get it?
Rachel. Hey, Rachel wants to get again. I think you have to stay near the door, honey.
Hey.
Hi.
One more.
Okay.
I'll be back with Jeff.
Alrighty.
Okay. Bye. Tell them to get ready. See.
Sounds like perfect.
Okay.
Dana.
Rachel, somebody else is coming.
You feel weird because you don't know that many people here?
Clouds messed up again.
I love you. Thank you for inviting me. Oh, I'm gonna tickle her to death. You'll see how. You'll see how I will tickle her.
Today, what are we doing today?
Color.
Right. Color. Rebecca's two. How old are you, Rebecca?
2.5.
Right. Anybody have a birthday? Anybody have a sister 2.5 years old?
Get a birthday bag.
No, you don't have a sister?
I do have a sister.
How old's your baby sister? 1 year?
What am I going to do?
Is she cute? Color a nice picture, Dana. What? That's good. Write your name on it so you don't forget yours.
My birthday is next week.
Next week? Really? Oh, good. I'm glad. Oh, it's really good. Rachel gets to go to birthday. Rachel invited to a party next week?
Yeah.
Talk to some more here.
She's going to be invited on April 13th.